Hey guys, it's Fusion Kid back with another detailed overview of some new inventory on the lot. Today we're looking at a 1951 Chevy Deluxe 2-door hardtop, priced at $22,900. This one was certainly a standout in the sneak peek video, and you can see why. If you want to be sure this ride is still available, head on over to maplemotors.com and click on inventory. Starting up front, this 51 Chevy makes a bold first impression with its custom flame paintwork, fading from yellow into deep orange and red, laid over a smooth black finish. Under the hood, it's powered by a 350 with performance upgrades, chrome and aluminum accessories, dual Flowmaster exhaust, and an aluminum radiator. That 350 is paired with a 4-speed manual with a Hurst shifter with a 10-bolt rear end, putting that power to the pavement. Completing the hot rod stance, the Chevy rolls on 16-inch American Racing aluminum wheels, matching the overall custom look perfectly. Giving it a little modern upgrade and making it easier to drive, this Chevy's been upgraded with Mustang II independent suspension and power rack and pinion steering, along with disc brakes. On the interior, you're going to find aftermarket tach, tilt steering column, billet steering wheel, and a CD player. Once again, a 1951 Chevy Deluxe two-door hardtop, priced at $22,900. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more detailed overviews of new inventory on the lot. I'll see you guys next time.